Hey guys, Jordan here. I'm back after a day, and not much has happened so far this week, except for the fact that I needed to replace my desk chair and fix my door handle. I'll put up a few photos of what happened, but basically my door handle broke off, so we needed to fix it somehow. We were going to replace it, but then we found out that we were just missing this clip thing that kept it on. So yeah, we just put that back together and now it's all good. Like it's tight and works now. So that's pretty good. But yeah, also the thing with my desk chair was actually quite frayed and broken. I'll put photos up here. The lining on the front was frayed, probably because of the sun, because my window is right in front of my desk, as you can see here, kind of, but like my window and my desk is right next to each other. But yeah, the front was frayed, the back was bent, and all that. I'll put a photo right here. So my dad and stepmom brought a chair from their office. The one that they don't use anymore, and they said that I could use this, and it is very comfortable. It kind of like leans back a little, like it doesn't, it leans back, which is quite cool. I kind of like this chair though, compared to the other one. The other one's actually out in the trash bin out there, if you can probably see that. But yeah. So, yeah, those are the two things that have happened so far this week, and yeah, that's really all that's happened so far. So, yeah, I will see you guys later. Bye.